Yo, what's up guys? So for today's video, test natin is itong bagong mouth gear na Shape of My Heart. This gives 5% AA damage, 5% attack speed, and 5% chance to increase next auto attack by 100%. Let's compare this with yung luma nating mouth gear, yung Huge Bounty that gives 10% damage to MVP and Mini. So for our testing, sa Ponape Epic Spirit pa rin tayo, 3rd floor kay Gamora. Okay, let's start off muna with Huge Bounty. Tapos 5 rounds natin sila paglalabanin. Ang i-check pala natin dito is yung total damage dealt in 1 minute. So dito yung Huge Bounty nakakuha ng 414M total damage compared to 440M naman ni Shape of My Heart. So napansin ko pala hindi totally nagdo-double yung damage eh. Parang hindi ata kasama yung ibang mga multiplier like yung mga elemental, race, ganun. Parang kunwari 2M yung damage mo, hindi talaga magiging 4M yung magiging output nun eh. Parang mga nasa 3M plus lang. Okay, round 2 naman. Ang nanalo dito sa round 2 is si Shape of My Heart pa din. 2-0 na in favor of Shape of My Heart. Next, round 3 tayo. Dito naman sa round 3, bumawi si Huge Bounty. Kala ko mati 3-0 sweep na siya. Medyo malaki yung dinamage ni Huge Bounty ngayon sa round 3. 456M versus 406M lang ni Shape of My Heart. Dito naman sa round 4, dikit tong round na to pero nanalo pa rin by onte yung Huge Bounty. So 1M lang yung difference na lang. Pwedeng manalo dito yung Shape of My Heart eh. Pero tignan natin kung mare-reverse sweep ba to ng ng Huge Bounty. So ayun, sa 5 rounds natin ang nanalo is si Shape of My Heart, 3-2 yung score. May isang round na dikit lang sila. Pwedeng 4-1 pa sana to. Shape of My Heart na yung gagamitin natin instead itong Huge Bounty. Pwede na tong i-depo. I guess that's it guys. Deuces.